As we look to the skies, NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies is diligently tracking an asteroid, equivalent in size to an airplane, hurtling towards Earth at a staggering speed of 34,727 kilometers per hour. This celestial traveler, known as asteroid 2023 VC, is making its closest approach to Earth on 9th November, at a safe distance of 2.4 million kilometers. While not classified as a potentially hazardous object, its airplane-like dimensions, 91 feet wide, remind us of the potential impact even smaller asteroids can have. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is closely monitoring its orbit, ensuring our cosmic safety.